In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Photoshop, ensuring that it's perfectly tailored to your needs from the start. We're going to go through this step by step, so don't worry if you're not familiar with all the features yet. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating these options to make a document just the way you like it. Let's begin by opening Photoshop. Once you have the program up and running, you'll want to look to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the File menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down list of options. From this list, you're going to select New. This action will bring up the New Document dialog box. It is here where all the magic happens. You'll notice several fields and options in this dialog box, but don't be overwhelmed. Focus on setting your desired dimensions and resolution. The dimensions refer to the width and height of your document. Make sure these are set to what you need for your project. The resolution, on the other hand, is crucial, especially if your final output is going to be printed or displayed digitally. Generally, a resolution of 300 pixels per inch is preferred for print, while 72 pixels per inch works well for digital screens. Once you've nailed down the size and resolution, let's turn our attention to the background color. In the same New Document dialog box, there's an option labeled Background Contents. You'll want to find the accompanying drop-down menu. This menu gives you a few choices, but for our purposes today, select Background Color. When you choose Background Color, you'll notice a small square next to the drop-down menu. Clicking on this square opens the color picker. This is where you can select the exact color you want as the background of your new document. The beauty of the color picker is that it offers an immense range of colors, letting you precisely match any color scheme you're working with. Simply click around until you find a color that resonates with your vision. Once you've chosen your color, it's time to create your document. You'll find a Create button down towards the bottom right of the dialog box. Clicking this will open up your new document in Photoshop with all the settings you've just tweaked, including the background color you've selected. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a new document complete with the size, resolution, and background color of your choice. Remember, getting these basics right is essential for a smooth workflow in Photoshop. Be sure to explore and play around with these settings in your future projects to see how a customized setup can enhance your creative process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have. Enjoy designing.